Hi everyone, welcome to PSM classes. A stone falls freely under gravity. It covers distances h1, h2 and h3 in first 5 seconds, the next 5 seconds and the next 5 seconds respectively. The relation between h1, h2 and h3. So we have to find relation between h1, h2 and h3. Okay. So the given values are a stone falls freely under gravity and it covers distance h1, h2 and h3 in first 5 second, next 5 second and next 5 second. So assume that the initial position is A and in 5 second it reaches to B, in next 5 second it reaches to C and in next 5 second it reaches to D. Okay. So the height attained in first 5 second is h1 and height attained in next 5 second is h2 and height attained in next 5 second is h3. So we have to find the relation between h1, h2 and h3. Okay. So here time is given to us, time interval is 5 seconds. Okay. So we have to find the height which we can determine by using formula ut plus half at square, or we are talking about free fall, so it will be gt square. Okay. So h1, for h1 the body will reach to B and the time taken to reach at point B is 5 seconds. So h1 will be equal to and initial velocity which is 0 into 5 plus half g into 5 square. So h1 will be equal to 25 g divided by 2. Okay. Now body in next 5 seconds the body position will be C. So from A to C the body takes 10 seconds. Okay, the time taken by body is 10 seconds and total height is h1 plus h2. Okay. So now the next time is given us to us 10 seconds and the total height will be h2 plus h1 plus h2. So it will be u multiply 10, u is 0 plus half g 10 square. So it will comes out to be h1 plus h2 will be equal to 100 g by 2. Okay. Now we can determine h2 as well. So h2 will be equal to 100 g by 2 minus h1. So it will be 100 g by 2 minus 25 g by 2. So h2 will be 75 g by 2. Okay. So h1 फाइंड हो गया और h2 फाइंड हो गया. ठीक है, दो वैल्यू हमें मिल गई हैं. नाउ बॉडी takes 5 plus 5 plus 5 15 seconds to reach at point D and the total height attained by the body is h1 plus h2 plus h3. Okay. So total height attained by the body is h1 plus h2 plus h3. Time taken by body is 15 seconds. Okay. So it will be half g 15 square. Okay. So h1 plus h2 plus h3 will comes out to be 225 g by 2. Now h3 will be equal to 225 g by 2 minus h1 plus h2. Okay. So it will be 225 g by 2 minus h1 plus h2 is equal to 100 g by 2. So put up the values. So it will be 100 g by 2. So h3 will be equal to 125 g by 2. Okay. Now we have to find the relation between h1, h2 and h3. So h1 is equal to 25 g by 2 and h2 is equal to 75 g by 2 and h3 is equal to 125 g by 2. Okay. So let us find the relation. So h1 will be equal to 3 into 25 g by 2. Okay. h2 can be written as 3 into 25 g by 2 and 25 g by 2 is equal to h1. So h1 will be equal to h2 by 3 and now here h3 can be written as 5 multiply 25 g by 2. So h3 will be equal to 5 h1 or h1 will be equal to h3 upon 5. So the relation will be h1 h will be equal to h2 by 3 will be equal to h3 by 5. Okay. Let us check which option is correct. So here B option is correct. h1 is equal to h2 by 3 is equal to h3 by 5.